Hello. Yeah, Dhruva sir, we have now been associated with you before your marriage, and also nearly 7 years now. What is the best thing you liked about our association? सर आपकी वॉल्यूम थोड़ी कम आ रही है.
सुनाई दे रहा है?
थोड़ी सी इंक्रीज करिए सर वॉल्यूम.
अच्छा, रुक जाओ एक सेकंड। Just bring my headphone। सुनाई दे रहा है क्या अभी?
हेलो.
अब सुनाई दे रहा है?
हाँ, अब थोड़ा पास है तो सुनाई दे रहा है. या वन यू सेड वन इज प्रोएक्टिव हेल्प. एनीथिंग एल्स
Yeah,
सर?
it's very proactive और information भी काफी जल्दी आ जाता है and all that, so you share your emails very well
ओके.
and you kind of regularly check over phone if you want to talk with you or not, schedule an appointment. All those things are really good, very nice.
Okay. Is there something which you've not been very happy about, sir?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है।
Nothing
ऐसा
as of
कुछ
now?
नहीं।
Okay. Well, it's good to know after 7 years in business. That's a very good thing to know. Thank you so much. So, what actually made you buy from us for the first time, Ruba sir?
नहीं, the thing is, you got my number from Aishwarya, right? You remember?
Right, right.
So we got in touch, and then I had a need basically where you guided me well on the front where I needed to save money, and definitely I'm really happy that I was able to save. तो उस front से तो I'm definitely very happy. तो उस बारे में तो आप टेंशन मत लीजिए।
Thank you so much. Sir, how can we make our relationship stronger, sir?
Strong है नहीं, why do you think it's getting weaker?
No, no. I believe we can make it stronger. Is there something where we can make it further strong?
I didn't see any explicit need as such या फिर particular necessity right now, but whatever is happening, I'm quite okay with that because I'm getting to talk to you and on regular intervals, even if it's yearly, that's fine. That's kind of good for me.
Sure. Sir, is there any advice you would like to give our team to become better?
Keep doing the good work.
Okay. Any advice you'd like to team our to onto our team to improve our service?
No, Nish, I think you guys are doing pretty good. मुझे कोई complaint तो है नहीं.
Okay.
So even you guys check with me, you guys send an email before my payments are made and all that, so you can help me out if anything gets stuck. So that way also I'm very happy. So there's no problem as such.
Okay. Sir, where would you like to see our association 10 years from now?
Build a brand. Come on.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. You're doing amazing, and the next step should be I am associated with Saki Consultancy.
Thank you so much. Any specific way you think we can build up a brand?
अब ये तो तुम्हारे हाथ में है.
I'm sure you have any ideas to share.
Hey, I mean, see, organizations are not built out of the blue, so you have to get proper people, correct people on board, and trusted people. Obviously, I also work in an organization, and if my company doesn't trust me, and if I don't do my hard work, obviously they'll also go into losses, and obviously there's no productivity. So वैसे ही लोगों को recruit करो जो तुमको productive लगे and can give you a lot of ROI. So
Sure.
that's all I can say.
Sure. Sir, is there any feedback you'd like to share?
Feedback about what?
About anything.
As such, nothing. This is in general, whatever I had on my mind is for you.
Okay. Sir, if you had to rate us starting from 1 to 5, 1 being excellent, 5 being poor, where would you like to rate us, sir?
So I'll rate you as 1, don't worry.
Oh, thank you so much.
It's 1.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, I'm sending you a mail across, which is, basically an information which I would like you to share with your better half since you recently got married. And if you can also share that on an Excel sheet with her, it's an important information which we believe will add a lot of value to both of you. I've just emailed it across. Kindly open that mail. And a last question, sir. Is there anything which you believe that we have as a competitive edge, as an advantage for clients and friends like you with the other competitors what we have?
Okay. One thing I'll definitely, I don't have to even think before I say that is, you build a relationship, right? So that is very positive, and I really like that, and that is something I appreciate from your end. And the second thing is, although you work 24/7, but you take a lot of effort to maintain that relationship. So that is very good. But don't miss out on your personal life. That's what I would like to say.
That's very true, sir. I do sometimes miss out on that. It's not because of any other reason, because the work I do, I really love that. That passion is there.
Yeah, I understand.
Right? Thank you so much. I've just sent you a mail, Dhruba, sir. I would like to, want you to open that mail and check that. In the meanwhile, I will, drop the call and call you back in a moment.
Okay.
Thank you.